Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Top 10 Styles.
Welcome to Lookbook YouTube channel, where we celebrate beauty and fashion. Celebrating the diverse beauty found across different cultures and regions is a wonderful way to embrace and appreciate the natural beauty of individuals. Africa, with its rich diversity and stunning features, has long been recognized for its unique beauty. This lookbook series that showcases the beauty of darker skin tones from the African continent is a great initiative to highlight and celebrate the natural beauty of African girls. By supporting and subscribing to Musta YouTube channel, you are not only helping it grow, but also showing your appreciation for the beautiful models and creators featured in our video. Engaging with the video by liking and commenting is another way to demonstrate your support and encourage the creation of more content that celebrates diverse beauty. Enjoy the rest of the video. Promote diversity and inclusivity of Black African models in the fashion industry.
African models are slaying the runway with their fierce walks and captivating presence. But how do they master this art of catwalking? Just like models everywhere, it takes dedication, practice, and a whole lot of personal style techniques. Posture, balance, and strutting those high heels become second nature. But the practice doesn't stop there. Models hone their walks on their own, adding their own unique flair, powerful rhythm, and energy to a model's walk, making it truly unforgettable. And let's not forget the most important ingredient: confidence. The best runway walks come alive when the model feels amazing in their own skin. African models bring their stories, their heritage, and their undeniable self-belief to the catwalk,